Hello everybody, hello, welcome. Today we're playing a game called Santa's Boat Ride. Now I saw this game from YouTuber It's Funny, and they didn't show the entire game, so I had to look it up and see if I could find it for myself, because the curiosity was killing me. So, here we are, we're gonna play it together, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. What happened to my clothes? My clothes are gone. Oh my gosh, it's so embarrassing. Look at these cute little penguins. Yep, there's Santa. Alrighty, let's go. No, I'm not going to be talking very much in this game because there's a lot of voice acting.
Once upon a time, in a strange Roblox Christmas wonderland parallel from our own, there lived a Santa called Santa. How come every winter, Santa and his trusty reindeer companion Rudolph would spend time making sure that Christmas was always a magical and joyful time of year for the children of the world. And of course, there would always be Frosty, a wisecracking G-rated snowman. He was just there for the ride. But those days are long gone. Now, fast forward 24 years later, and Santa is on the last of his days, struggling to even get by without slow assistance. And even though now Santa has an army of clones who do his bidding every year,
Wait,
that's
what the
still not
heck?
to say Santa would be without his burdens. In this instance, it's his trusty companion Rudolph, who's new on the menu. But however, will our
Menu?
Santa prepare Rudolph for dinner without Christmas seasoning? Everyone knows reindeers need seasoning to really bring out their rich, musky flavor.
Oh my
Might need some
gosh.
help. Little did Santa know, the hat-wearing individual was on their way to aid him in his mission. And as they were running through the planned, seamlessly never-ending forest, it occurred to this individual that perhaps they were in store for something rather dumb, with horrible voice acting and slow-moving scenery. Yep, Santa got super weird with his old age.
Oh my god, this is insane. That's really insane. It's just trying to cook Rudolph. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Whew. Okay. We are all good. Wait, what? Hello? Okay. Okay, guys, there they are. Wait, how does it work? You have a circle, right? That means the main stuff in the circle.
Hello, user base. Merry Christmas. Oh, we were just about to sit down to enjoy some Christmas dinner with some friends.
Hey, wait! They're our friends. I know. Why don't we invite them to join us?
Hey, you're right, Frosty. Christmas is a time for sharing, caring, and making people smile.
Making people smile? I guess you could say this is a Grinter Wonderland. Oh no, not this again.
Oh my
Hello,
gosh.
user base.
Santa, shut up.
Merry Christmas. Oh, we were just about to sit down to enjoy some
Why can I still
Christmas
hear
dinner
you?
with some... I'm getting hungry already. Oh, and I almost forgot. We're having Rudolph.
I hate to ruin the moment here, but I didn't offer.
Okay, you wait here, user base. I'll go inside and get everything ready.
Okay. Go on.
They are currently in they are currently
Okay, so they're in the house.
the house scene.
Oh no! We're out of magical Christmas seasoning. However, will we cook Rudolph without it?
I heard they sell it at the Wildlife Conservation Park. Let's just go there.
Wait, I know. My grandma always has the most perfect seasoning, and she lives in Stony Springs. I'm sure she'd let us borrow some. After all, it is the seasoning. Hoo 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 hoo.
Oh my gosh. Seriously. That is such the corniest,
Oh no! We're out
the
of magical
corniest
Christmas
ever. That is
seasoning.
just, no,
However,
don't
will
ever
we
say that
cook
again.
Rudolph without it?
I heard they say. Hey, I mean,
Hey, that's a great idea, Frosty. We'll go on a magical Christmas journey to the retirement home. Hey, will you join us too?
No.
pause to
I'm not
give
gonna
an
help you
answer.
cook Rudolph.
You said
He's the
yes.
special one.
Great. Oh, this will be so much fun.
What?
Okay, I'm telling you,
Goodbye.
there's nothing wrong with me.
Are you sure about that, Santa? Are you sure about that? I think there's something very wrong with you for needing to cook your own reindeer Rudolph. What is that?
Goodbye. I'm Santa's wife, Mrs. Claus. My voice has changed since the first game, and I'm gonna die at the end of this one. Stay
Aw.
safe out there. Stay safe. Stay safe.
Okay.
Stay safe. Stay safe.
Trust me, she's like this at home
Once again, I'm Mrs. Claus.
all the time. I'm an 84-year-old man. I don't need people telling me what to do, you know?
I understand.
Once again, I'm Mrs. Claus.
Whew. Okay, we came out of that tunnel. Oh, there's here's the boat ride. Oh, there's a sign right there. You guys can pause and read that if you want. Okay, moving on. Let's get onto the boat ride. They're waiting for us. Oh, hey, there's 3 here. I'm gonna sit right here.
Pain, check. Emotional pain, check. Ability to be a ghost, metaphorically speaking, check.
Oh, poor Rudolph. It's bad for him. You're a monster.
Oh, and we're off. Oh, this is so exciting.
I don't want to help you.
I can't wait to see Grandma.
I'm just along for the journey.
Magical festive
Not to cook.
seasoning.
Yay. Kind of slow.
Oh, look, we're in the magical enchanted forest, and there are hilarious chipmunks sporting oversized shades everywhere. I knew this game would be funny, but I didn't know it would reach this level of hilarity.
Chipmunks? More like hipmunks.
Frosty.
What the,
We hope there will be many more like
what the heck is up with the snowman?
remainder of this journey. Look, it's a donkey, and he's
Oh, it is a
coming
donkey.
straight towards us.
Oh, hello, Mr. Donkey. I think he's hungry. There are no carrots around here.
Please stop. Please make it stop.
Bye,
I agree,
Mr.
Rudolph.
Donkey.
I totally
Bye-bye.
agree.
Good afternoon.
Oh, Mr.
Oh.
Bear.
Mr. Bear.
Hey.
I was just about to enjoy a nice piece of cake.
Isn't it good for me eating
Wow,
the
sounds
cake first?
delicious. It's fine to have a treat every now and then, but there are some foods you should only have in moderation, as eating too much of it at once can be bad for you.
That's on
started.
this
People are
lovely
hungry.
flower hat day?
Ooh, we were going to visit my
Flower hat
grandma
day?
to retrieve some magical food seasoning.
Really? Well, I guess it is the seasoning.
Bad joke.
Well, we should really be going now. We'll leave you be, 'cause it looks like you have enough on your plate as it is.
Oh, have fun.
Thanks,
Bye,
Mr.
Mr.
Bear.
Bear.
See you later.
He's all over there and
How on earth
still
does he
talking.
get a cave in the forest?
Oh, we're going under a bridge.
Whee! Oh, it's so dark under here. I love bridges.
You guys are so annoying. Help me.
We're entering a dark tunnel.
Really? A dog tunnel? Really?
Yes, there's one just ahead of us.
Really?
Yes,
Really?
yes.
Oh my
Now,
gosh.
Santa, don't you try anything this time.
I won't.
What do you mean this time?
Now's my chance.
Oh my gosh.
Hello? Is anyone here?
Wait, Santa? Is that you?
Frosty, what are you doing here?
He was here the whole time.
I was just in a boat with Santa and Rudolph. Then we entered a dark tunnel, and now we're all together again.
Wow. Anyway, I'm kind of tired now. I think I'm gonna take a nap before we get to the other side.
Listen, can you hear me, Frosty?
Ooh, hey, Rudolph.
Listen, Santa wants me dead, okay? And it's not gonna happen.
Funny, Rudolph.
No, he wants to cook me and eat me with herbs and spices. Weren't you listening to what he said before we set out on this journey?
Yeah, for
We're
real.
having Rudolph.
No, he said we're having strudels, the sweet confectionery pastry, and I must say, I'm very hungry for that.
Haven't you seen his collection of head trophies where every single trophy corresponds with the head of his past reindeers?
Santa's into minimalist art. You know that.
Well, what about how he's been giving me the biggest portions of food lately?
Oh, Rudolph, Santa loves you. He would never do anything to hurt you.
You are
Isn't that
blind.
right, Santa?
What? Yeah, I was just resting my eyes.
Old Rudolph here, or should I say Strudolph, thinks that you want to cook him and eat him for dinner.
I do. That's why we're here, to pick up the magical Christmas seasoning needed to make Rudolph taste delicious.
There, he said it.
Oh, Santa, I love your deadpan sense of humor. It really resonates with classics such as The Office.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I put my head down for that one. Who's calling?
Hello, I need help.
Police department, what seems to be the
Santa Claus on the
Santa,
phone.
how many times did you clone yourself?
28,000 times. They're
Oh
multiplying.
my gosh.
The human population is going down. Soon, every person will be a Santa Claus.
Uh-oh. This is all a terrible dream. It has to be.
We're here.
Oh, look, we're in a snowy village.
Oh, how wonderful. Can you smell that delicious food? And I think I can smell some fruit and bread as well.
Oh, hey, look, it's James the Sea Lion. Hi, James.
I was just playing with my new ball. There's a traffic junction
Oh.
just ahead, so I'm making sure to stay well away from it.
That's right. It's always a good idea to keep away from
That guy looks
any
kinda cute, but he
crossings
also looks
or
kinda
traffic
scared.
lights, especially when you're playing, as it can be unsafe or even dangerous.
They're the same thing, Frosty. That's right, Frosty. Anyway, where are you guys going?
Ooh, we're off to my grandma to retrieve some magical food seasoning.
Really? Well, I guess it is
Oh my, everybody.
Well,
Not everybody
goodbye.
said that.
See you later. Have fun with your ball. And remember to stay safe when playing. Goodbye.
Bye,
See you
James.
later.
Okay.
Bye.
Wow, Frosty, you sure do know a lot of people in Stony Springs.
We really have to have a G-rated conversation with every single animal we pass.
Yes.
Why are there no people
Yes, we
in
do.
those boats?
I think it's less effort, really. Ooh, look who it is. It's Roy the
He
polar
looks
bear.
terrifying.
Roy.
Oh, Frosty. I was just telling all my friends how they shouldn't use mild slang. Like stupid or dumb. Oh, sorry.
Ooh, that's okay. As long as you know that you shouldn't use words like that in the future, as using them can hurt other people's feelings.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of silly how... sorry, Frosty.
This ILLY is a bad word to use
What?
because it can sometimes be used with a negative connotation.
Okay, this
Just
I have
replace words
officially
like these with
decided
funny,
this.
silly
This
words
woman is
like
officially
jump.
crowned the most stupid
If also,
person in the world.
words that don't really mean anything.
Will do, Frosty. Anyway, where are you guys going?
Ooh, we're off to see my grandma.
He is
to
terrifying.
retrieve some food seasoning.
Some food seasoning? Well, I guess it is the seasoning.
What is he thinking?
Bye, Frosty. Bye, Santa. Bye, funny reindeer.
Goodbye, Roy.
No, by me? What is that?
Hello, Billy. Hello, Billy.
Maybe we should go back now.
Oh, look, there's the entrance. Okay,
Hooray!
can't this thing go any slower? It's making me a little nauseous. I'm too old for all this car chase business.
3 miles per hour. It's slower than the pace we speak, and we are 3 slow-talking guys.
Ooh, hold on, Santa. Let me just grab the brakes here. There we go. Nice and safe.
Oh, thank you, Frosty. So much better now.
This is 1 mile per hour.
Chapter
And it's
2.
still too fast.
Oh, look, it's the door.
In we go.
Merry
Oh,
Christmas.
look at all these poor puzzled souls. I'm so glad I don't belong here. Oh, look at all these poor puzzled souls. I'm so glad I don't belong here.
You just said
Said
that.
that.
Oh, look at all these poor
You
puzzled
said that
Santa.
already. You belong here, Santa.
No
Sure do.
nursing home is gonna keep me from eating human beings.
You seriously need help. You know that.
I agree.
No.
Frosty, where's your grandma? Maybe I can cut her a deal to free me from Santa.
Oh, look, there she is. There's Grandma.
Oh, I can hear her.
Oh, gosh.
Hello, Grandma.
She sounds like a dog. That's hurt.
Okay, where'd you go?
She's just playing hide and seek. It's her favorite game. Here we go. This is so exciting I can barely keep still.
Kill me. Frosty, we don't have to do this. Free me now, and I'll give you anything. Anything. Give you my hoof I hold so dear to me.
Good one, Rudolph. You are a dear friend to me.
And you want to see your dear friend get killed by Santa?
Where is she?
Oh, she's just hiding. She does this all the time. She's probably in that dark corridor just ahead.
Oh, no. Oh, look, there's an exit to the left of us. Let's just turn the boat and we'll passing the fire exit.
What was that?
It's a good movie.
Listen, Frosty, I'm sure deep down your grandma May is a wonderful person, but if what we saw back there was your grandma, then there is something wrong with your grandma.
Something
Wow,
wrong with
Rudolph.
her? I guess you could say.
Santa, we are dead.
Now remember, don't make any loud noises or any sudden movements. Or you'll be sorry. You'll be sorry.
No.
Yay, I'm so excited. I can't keep still.
Santa, stop moving. You're gonna get us killed, Santa.
In we go. Wee! It's so dark in here, and we can't see anything. Yay! Grandma, where are you? Or should I say, where are you?
That was dumb.
I can hear her. Frosty, is she with someone?
No, she's alone in here.
That's not what I meant, Frosty.
She's getting closer.
It actually sounds like she's getting further away from us.
She's getting closer.
Closer? It doesn't sound like she's getting any.
Oh, hello, Grandma. Oh, thank you, Grandma. That's the festive seasoning we needed. Thank you. Have a wonderful time.
Yay, we got the seasoning. Now we need not delay the preparation of my dear friend Rudolph any longer.
Oh, Santa, you're still joking about cooking, Rudolph. That's so distasteful.
Great, now can we please get out
It's
of
not a
here?
joke.
Good idea, Rudolph. The entrance is over there.
At least I don't think it is.
Leave without saying one last goodbye to Grandma. There she is. Goodbye, Grandma. Thank you for the seasoning.
Bye. Call me.
See you again in the next life.
The next laugh.
Yeah, Grandma passed away 2 years ago, but I still come back here and fetch her flowers every week.
Hmm.
So nice of you.
You mean that wasn't really?
No, what we saw wasn't really Grandma. It was just the lingering shadow of her former self watching over us and making sure we behave ourselves. Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you.
Wow.
Okay, gang. Now we have the magical Christmas season. Let's head back home.
Sounds like a great idea, Santa.
Well, it's not like I'd have a say in this.
We're almost home. Our village is just ahead. Oh, look, it's Mrs. Claus. Boo! We hate you, Mrs. Claus. You're the worst character in this game.
I'm not getting involved.
Me either.
Can't we go any faster? I don't want to hear Santa's horrible voice anymore. Santa?
No,
Santa, don't you press that button.
I'm not. I don't even want to.
I'm serious, Santa.
He pushed it.
Wait a minute, the lane didn't change. What kind of moron would make a switch lane that switches us to the same lane we were already on?
Yay! Disobedience.
Hi, magical characters of Santa's boat ride.
Oh, look, it's Tinfoil Bot. He's our favorite creator.
Oh, hi, Tinfoil Bot. How are you?
Hi, Santa. Hi, Frosty. Hi, Funny Reindeer. I'm standing here waving to you.
Wow, sounds like fun. Enjoy your new wave of interaction.
Goodbye, guys.
Goodbye.
That's the
guy
creator
is
of this game, you
just
guys.
Awesome. We should all buy his clothing once we finish the game.
May this magic
That's
never
funny.
end. You know, it's true what the Care Bears say. Friendship truly is magic. Ooh, going to another cave.
Oh, look, stranger danger.
Santa, that's you in a wig.
You don't know that for certain.
Wow, I hope they give them a nice warning.
Cough, cough. Got a slight breeze coming in now.
Ooh, you can have my scarf if you're feeling cold, Santa.
I'm good, thank you. I'm good for now, but thanks for asking, Rudolph.
Santa, seriously, can you stop breathing so loudly?
Oh, look, someone left their bag behind.
Frosty, that's a plastic carrier bag.
Yeah, but it might belong to someone. I'll come back here later and report it to Frost and Found. Look at all these pretty pine trees above us. Would you believe it? And look, it's Moosey Lucy. Hello, Moosey Lucy.
Hi.
Hello, I am Moosey Lucy, and I am a moose. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye. See you soon.
I wish I was a pine tree, so tall, so beautiful, never in harm's way.
Can you hear those birdies tweeting? Tweet, tweet. Hello, birdies. Tweet, tweet. That's the sound a bird makes. So hilarious, isn't it?
This small talk is killing me.
Can't wait to get home and have me some roast Rudolph with lots of salt.
Wait, aren't you on a low-sodium diet right now?
Yes,
Good grief, Santa.
I need help. Oh, look, we're home. Hello, clone Santas. I am Santa. Hello, Santa. We are Santa Claus.
Oh, gee.
Hi, Rudolph. Looking good. Really good. Oh, it's my special babies. I've missed them so much.
Ooh, they're so cute.
Santa,
There's
whatever
so many of
happens,
them.
please get help. Await your Pokeroo. You're next on Santa's nice list.
Why would Rudolph be on
Well, I
his
guess
list?
we're home.
Ooh.
Well done. We're back home safe, and we have the magical food seasoning. Thank you, friends.
Wow, that was super fun and funny. Thank you so much for your help, special friend.
You could have just quit the game and just like nobody would blame you. Really, you can still do it.
I want to see what happens at the end, though.
Okay, I'll be waiting inside and getting the plates ready.
This is a demo. Okay, Frosty, I'll be luring Rudolph to his death.
Santa, that's
This is a
enough.
demo.
Your sense of humor is really dark today. Okay, I'll be waiting inside and getting the plates ready.
This is a demo. Okay, Frosty, I'll be...
Come inside, Rudolph. This won't take long. You're my friend, and friends do favors. Why are you worried for?
Because you need help. You're a good guy and you're somehow gonna eat me with benevolent intent.
Exactly. This isn't out of malice. Now come inside, please. Now, Rudolph. Now.
You know, Santa, I'm 15. That's 90 in reindeer years. I don't have the energy to put up a fight anymore. I guess I'm out of options now.
Oh, Frosty.
Oh, you are going to taste so good today.
Today, the text says tonight. Okay.
It appears Mrs. Claus has come down with the flu. How unfortunate that she won't be able to join us. But it won't change anything much. Now come, Rudolph. It is time to keep your appointment with the dinner table. Reference.
Okay, moving on. No, leave me inside. Let me in. I've got to save Rudolph. Let me in. Can I peek through a window? I think we're nearing the end, guys. Wait, what's that? Oh. Okay. Winner. You've done it. You are a winner. But the amazing adventure doesn't stop there. Oh no. Let's go. Oh. There's no place like home. Oh my gosh. What is up with these puns? Let's step on this food. Where is he? Oh, oh.
My legs. He took my legs. Do you help him?
I'm sorry.
This leg is delicious. I approve of this hoof. But I wonder what happened to Rudolph's leg. I hope he's okay.
You're eating his leg. Oh.
Rudolph is delicious. Good job, friends. Mrs. Claus was too sick to join us, which is a shame, as she always had the biggest portions. But you know, none of this would have been possible without you. Yep, that's right. Without you, we wouldn't be eating Rudolph's leg right now. This is all you. Thank you. So nice.
I don't want a part of it. I don't. No. Use the condition that I click the button below to enter explore mode, design guide, secrets, and more. Cool. Explore mode. Cool. I'm just go away. I don't care anymore. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Oh. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked, please let me know by leaving a like on this video, as well as subscribing to the channel to get more videos like this, if this is something you like. Also, turn on post notifications to be notified every single time I upload a video, and share. And that's all you need to do. Plus, it's the holiday season, so everybody that likes these videos is always just awesome. They're just downright awesome. So, yeah. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Like I said before, thank you so much for watching. Purple Void